Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I am with a new video. So before starting, subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. So basically today in this video I'm going to tell you the benefits, uses, how to use, when to use and what are the main ingredients in this product. And the product is the Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. So the benefits of using green tea night gel on face is that it reduces skin inflammation, it treats acne, exfoliates gently. So guys, the first question I'm going to share is what are the benefits of using green tea gel on face, and the answer is it reduces skin inflammation. Green tea contains a huge number of polyphenols, it treats acne, exfoliates gently, clears clogged pores, fights premature aging, hydrates the skin, and controls the oils. Let's talk more benefits and uses of this product ahead. Here we go. What is Plum Green Tea Night Gel used for? Here's the award-winning Plum Green Tea Night Gel to end all your morning oily skin woes. It's refreshing. Ultra-light gel texture is enriched with plant nutrients. There is no argan oil. You can be rest assured that your skin will receive balanced hydration. So this product has a lot of benefits in it. Green tea has vitamin E and vitamin B2 present in it, which helps in maintaining skin health. Vitamin B2 helps in keeping the skin youthful and firm, while vitamin E helps in new skin cell growth and also makes the skin softer and glowing. So who doesn't want a glowing skin? So here I'm going to apply this cream. So as you can see, this has literally given me a shiny look, and I don't know why, but all night gels have really glowing texture. Few of them also asked that can green tea remove dark spots, and the answer is yes. Green tea can help lighten dark spots and blemishes from the skin, making it good for complexion care. Personally, I would recommend that you use green tea regularly for better complexion. So here we can see the price of this product, and it is only 175 rupees. So guys, it is quite affordable and you must give it a try. Go for it. Talk about the price, it is quite affordable and you must try. You can find it on any Plum product website. So guys, here was the full review video of this product. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, share this video, and thanks. Bye bye.